Welcome to part 53 of Learn Languages. Today's topic is modal verbs. Modal verbs are special helping verbs. They express ability, possibility, advice, and necessity. Let's go through the 5 most important ones. First, can. Can expresses ability or possibility. I can speak 3 languages. Can you help me with this? Next, could. Could is the past of can, but it does more. When I was young, I could run very fast. Could also makes requests more polite. Could you pass me the salt, please? That sounds much more polite than can you. Now, should. Should gives advice or recommendations. You should drink more water every day. You shouldn't eat junk food every night. Use should when you want to give kind advice. Next, would. Would is used for polite requests and hypothetical situations. Would you like a cup of tea? I would love to travel the world someday. Finally, must. Must expresses strong obligation or necessity. You must wear a seatbelt, it's the law. Must also expresses strong certainty. She's not answering, she must be asleep. Here's a quick summary. Can, ability. Could, past ability or polite request. Should, advice. Would, polite offer or hypothetical. Must, strong obligation or certainty. Modal verbs never change form. No S, no ed. He can speaks is wrong. Always he can speak. Practice by describing your abilities and giving advice. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.